Hey folks, cool evening across the valley. Temperatures upper 50s, low 60s valley-wide right now. We didn't get a whole lot more than that today. You saw the high. Most of the valley in the upper 60s. The far west got a little over 70, but this is where we stand right now. It's a cool evening. Dew points have come up a little bit from this afternoon, mostly in the 40s right now. So we'll put the average on the Muggy meter of about 45. So it's still dry. Earlier the dew points are down in the 30s, but still dry right now. Still got a long way to go to get up into what we really consider muggy air out there. So that part of it's pretty nice. Overnight, our low should be in the 50s every place but the beach, about 60 there, 53 McAllen, 54 in Edinburg, 52 for a low in Rio Grande City. And then tomorrow's highs should make the 70s, but just barely, 75 in the west to about 70 in the east under mostly cloudy skies. We don't see much in the way of sunshine tomorrow. Maybe a little brightening, but probably no blue sky any place. 73 tomorrow and again on Wednesday. Thursday, we start the warming process, but it's going to be a slow start. But once we get going, it's going to get hot just in time for the weekend. Doppler network has been picking up light showers earlier this evening. Most of those have moved out. It was active for a little while, but there's just not much left out there now, and it should stay quiet the rest of the night. But there you can see the clouds racing across our valley skies, and this enhanced cloud cover a little thicker coming across the last couple of hours, but that will continue to move through. But the clouds just aren't going to break much tomorrow. Maybe a little brightening. And again, there may be a patch or two where the clouds break, but for the most part, they're going to dominate. That goes for Wednesday as well. It's another mostly cloudy day. Pretty much rain-free tomorrow and Wednesday. I don't see any big disturbances caught up in the flow, so we should be rain-free, but certainly cloudy for the most part. And then Thursday, the clouds are going to thicken up. A couple of things happen. Southeast flow kicks in, brings the moisture back in, and a weak little upward disturbance moves across, helps to squeeze those clouds a little bit, maybe get a couple of showers out of them, but you're still looking at only about a 20% probability. So we're dry tomorrow and Wednesday. There's that 20% chance on Thursday. Just spotty stuff, but that's about the only chance we have the next 7 days. Rest of Texas tonight, 57 right now in Dallas, 48 in Austin, 55 in San Antonio. Houston checks in at 57 degrees. Here's your cloud cover picture. A lot of clouds in South Texas, clear skies in North Texas. Of course, since we're in the south, we have the clouds, and they're not going anywhere for a couple of days. High pressure building in from the north, really kind of controlling things. It pushes the clouds down to where we are. By Thursday, the high starts moving away. When that happens, there's that southeast wind coming back in. That brings the moisture back in. That gives us that chance for a shower. Next front on the map Friday falls apart before it gets here, so no more cool downs after the one we have right now for at least a little while. In the Bay, winds out of the northeast 5 to 10 knots, just a light chop. The UV index remains high. The Bay temperature 71. There remains a high risk of rip currents, so spring breakers take note. If you get in the water, be very, very careful. 55 tonight, mostly cloudy, breezy, cool, northeast winds. Then tomorrow, 73 for a high. Still a lot of clouds around. Maybe a little brightening of the sky, but that's probably about it. Northeast winds at 6 to 12. So here you go. The next 3 days stay below average. The norm starting tomorrow is 80, so we're going to stay below that until Friday. And then look how it warms up. 86, 88, 90. You know, yesterday McAllen hit 101.
I felt it.
You felt that?
I felt it. It was so hot.
So next Sunday when it's 90, it's going to feel cool, see, compared to yesterday.
Oh, but today was beautiful.
Today was nice. Highs
Today
today mostly in the
perfect
60s.
weather. Yeah.
And the clouds stick around for another day or two.
Yeah. If you wanted to play a game of basketball outside instead of inside, you could actually breathe. I think, right?
Yeah, exactly. Now